how to fix Telegram videos not playing on your iPhone. So, if you're trying to play a video on Telegram and it's either not playing, not downloading, or it's just lagging in general, I'm going to show you how to fix these issues. Now, all you need to do is first head over to the settings on your phone. From the settings page, scroll down and click on General and then click on iPhone Storage. Now you need to scroll down and locate the Telegram application. If you can't see it in this list, you can always click on Show All. And once you've found Telegram, click on the app like so. We then need to press Offload App and click on Offload. Now once you've done this, we can press the Reinstall App button and give that a couple of seconds while it reinstalls to your device. Now once that's finished, we can reopen the Telegram application and you can check to see if your video is now playing. If it's still not working, then another solution is to go and open up the App Store on your phone. From the App Store, use the search box and go and type in VLC Media Player and then go and press search. You then need to download this app, which is the VLC Media Player. Once it's finished downloading, we can head back over to our Telegram video. You can then click on the video like so. Click on the share button in the bottom left-hand side. Now click on the share icon in the top right. You can then click on VLC and you should now be able to play it through the VLC Media Player. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.